Hello, today we will guide you through how to find pies on Trading 212. In a few minutes, you'll know exactly where to access your own pies and how to browse the broader selection available on the platform. Begin by opening Trading 212 in your web browser at app.trading212.com or launch the mobile app if that's what you prefer. Sign in if prompted. The layout can vary slightly between devices and account types. The Pies feature lives in the Invest and ISA areas, so if you operate multiple account types, make sure you're viewing one that supports pies. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for a small pie-shaped icon. It resembles a circular chart with slices. Click that icon. If you don't immediately see it, try maximizing your window or switching to the Invest view. This icon is the quickest way to jump straight to your pie tools. After clicking the pie icon, focus on the left-hand panel. This is where your pies are listed. If you already have one, you'll see it here and can open it to review your slices, allocation, and recent activity. If you don't have a pie yet, this same panel is where you can create one when you're ready. It's a convenient hub for managing everything related to your portfolios built with slices. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options you see, as they'll help you monitor your holdings and keep track of any rebalancing or contributions you set up. Next, head back to the top of the screen and look for the icon with two people located near the three horizontal lines that open the main menu. Click that two-person icon. This takes you into the area where you can explore what the wider community is sharing and discover more ideas. Inside that view, choose Pies. This opens a section dedicated to pies available to browse. Here you can look through collections, explore themes, and open individual pies to read their descriptions and see the underlying slices. Use the available sorting or search tools to narrow in on what interests you. When you open a pie, review the holdings, how it's allocated, and any notes provided by its creator. Remember, all investing involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results, so take time to understand what's inside before you proceed. And that's it. Open Trading 212, click the pie icon to see your pies or start a new one, then use the two-person icon and select pies to explore the broader library. If the interface looks different, it may be due to updates or your device. So a quick refresh or checking you're in the Invest or ISA view usually clears things up.